Today I want to show you this Suzuki. It's a slightly smaller harmonica. It's got 2 holes less. So on the E stop you've got your, and that's do do dum, and that's the note of C, I think. Yeah. So the second hole, or if you like the second block of 4 holes, is your tonic note. The harmonica's in the key of C. Bum, boom, boom. And the first note is a G. So that's like the anacrusis that you get in many songs, don't you? Oh, little town of Bethlehem. That kind of thing. So it's like a stepping stone into it. The Suzuki doesn't have that. So that doesn't have it, so it's fewer holes. Otherwise it's pretty much the same. But what I would like to just show you is, did you know you can bend on a tremolo? Now I don't really hear people doing this. If you can get, you can see there's 4 holes here, right? Oh, let's say 2 holes there, that's clear to see. If you can get your mouth to just cover one of those, then you can overblow and you can bend, draw bend, blow bend. I'll show you what I mean. Quite a clear bend, wasn't it? So I'm blow bending. And then it's the overdraw. So I'm breathing in on that hole. And you can bend the overdraw upwards. Did you know this stuff? It's quite cool, isn't it? So let's try a draw note and see if we can do an overblow on the draw note. We'll try a draw bend. And then we'll try and do an overblow. So that's the overblow. It's not designed to do this, is it? But I think with a bit of tweaking and with a bit of work, you might be able to do it. So maybe you can play the tremolo harmonica chromatically. I've seen before people having, maybe in the Far East rather than here, having 3 chromatic harmonicas in, you know, like I don't know what they have, but probably a C and a C sharp and a D, or a C and a D flat and a D, and then they just go between the 3 and they've got all the notes. So have a go at that if you're interested in tremolo harmonica. Learn it traditionally, of course, as people do, but try to see, can you break the rules? Rules are there to be broken, aren't they? I think. Okay, enjoy, have fun.